In Ecuador, the Coca River isn't literally on fire, but it sure looks like it at night. Some tributaries leak natural gas, creating flames that dance across the water. Sparks flicker on the dark waters, illuminating the jungle in an eerie, beautiful glow. Locals have revered this river for generations, sharing stories of spirits in the fiery flow. Imagine paddling through the darkness, flames reflecting in the rippling current. The forest comes alive with whispers and shadows, adding to the magic. It's nature's own light show, a blend of danger, beauty, and wonder. This mysterious river invites you to experience its enchanting allure.